You've blogged, but how do you get your blog noticed by others? Fortunately, it is much easier to get a blog noticed than it is to get a website noticed. The easiest way to do this is to get picked up by the blog search engines, and this is done by pinging those blog engines. It's a natural process in the blogosphere. You blog, and then you ping. When you ping one of the blog update services, which are blog search engines, the search engine lists your blog as a blog that has been recently updated. Pinging used to be a very time-consuming process, but that is no longer true. In fact, most blog software will automatically ping certain services but not all services. You can, however, ping a large list of services at one time by using a site such as http://www.pingamatic.com. Now, the reason for doing this is not only to get listed in the blog search engines, but also to get listed in the regular search engines, such as Google and Yahoo. Regular search engines regularly crawl the blog search engines and find blogs that have been recently updated, and then they crawl on over to those blogs and index them as well. You ping each time you post. Remember this. You don't just ping once, you ping every single time that you submit a post to your blog. The more you post, the more you ping, the more indexed you become, and the more traffic you get to your blog. This is especially important as you are starting your blog for profit or to promote a business. Now, there is also another definition of ping that is web-related. In this definition, ping is a tool that is used to test a connection. The ping program sends an echo request packet to a specific host, such as yahoo.com, and then listens for the echo response. This is often called pong among computer geeks. Essentially, this is one computer asking another, "Can you hear me?" and the other computer responding, "Yes, I hear you just fine," or "I hear you, but not very clearly." The strength of the connection is then measured based on the time it took for the request and the response to complete, and it is measured in milliseconds. When pinging a blog search engine, you are essentially saying, "Hello, I've been updated. Please let others know." But instead of the blog search engine answering you, they instead make a note of the message and deliver it to other search engines as well. You can't ping until you've blogged, and when you blog, you need to ping. Think of blog and ping as partners, where you can't have one without having the other, even though you can actually blog without pinging if you don't want your blog to be noticed. If you are blogging as a way of keeping a personal diary and you don't care if others read it or not, you will most likely not be interested in pinging, as it isn't necessary. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.